Hi people, today we are going to learn something new which will help us to maintain our security and maintain the security of our iPhone especially. It will not be theft. So without wasting time, let's move towards the topic. First of all, you have to come into this app store and you have to search this name, which is iAntiTheft. So this app will appear. You have to simply download it. Okay people, as we are done with the downloading, the app has been downloaded. So without wasting time, let's enter it, and I'm gonna teach you that how you can secure your iPhone from being stolen. Okay people, this is the interface when you enter in this app, iAntiTheft. So this is the basic interface. You are having 4 facilities or 4 options. Number 1 is motion, which will detect your motion if you place the mobile phone somewhere, and you will pick it up, so it will start ringing the bell until and unless you will not enter the password. So if you will enter the password, it will be silent automatically, and the rest of the options are unlocked. They need to be paid. As you can check, it's demanding cash, so I am not using it at all. I don't need it, so I will not subscribe it. If you need it, you can subscribe it by your own choice. So let me show you a demo. This is the motion sensor, and the iPhone is placed on the table, and see, if I enter the pen, it will be silent at all. So for such informative videos, you have to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment that from which country you are watching my video, and please like and share, and don't forget to ring the bell icon for getting the newest updates. Thank you everybody. See you in the next video.